Welcome back to Campus Hilltoppers. My name is Pat Kelly. I'm the Director of Purchasing for West Liberty University. Throughout the spring, the administration has been hard at work to build a comprehensive plan to try to help you keep safe when you come back to campus. This includes things such as campus-wide testing, enforcement of social distancing, additional cleaning services throughout campus, providing cleaning supplies in classrooms, and personal protective equipment vending machines located throughout campus.
We currently have 10 blue Fastenal vending machines located on campus. They are placed in the following locations: 2 machines in Elbin Library, 1 in the lounge area on the main floor to the left of the main entrance, and 1 in the basement near the archives. 2 machines in Main Hall, 1 on the first floor of the East Wing and 1 on the first floor of the West Wing. 2 machines in the College Union, 1 to the right of the stage and 1 near the ballroom on the main floor. 1 machine in Arnett Hall on the first floor by the Crayfish Lab. 1 machine in the ASRC on the main floor near the entrance of the Blatnick Wing. 1 machine in the Hall of Fine Arts building by the gallery. And finally, 1 machine in the main lobby of Campbell Hall. Additional machines will be placed on campus later in the semester based on need.
We have the following items placed in the machines for your convenience. Packages of disposable masks. These masks are meant to be emergency use, such as forgetting a mask in your dorm room or car, and not to replace the washable mask provided to students, faculty, and staff. Disposable gloves. We are requiring the use of gloves for use of public computers and are providing gloves for this purpose. Keychain hand sanitizer. We have small keychain hand sanitizer for your personal use. These are in addition to the hand sanitizer stations that have been placed throughout campus. Students who need face shields for ADA accommodations or other reasons may contact Chris McPherson in the Learning Center in Main Hall. Employees who need face shields can contact HR or their department head. For faculty, we have stocked a machine with boxes of facial tissue and 8-ounce bottles of hand sanitizer for use in your classrooms and offices. These items are being provided free of charge, but the vending machine has set limits per person every week. Using these machines is simple, and all it takes is your topper card. First thing you're going to do, scan your card. The machine will authenticate that you are an active user. You'll pick the product you want and push the pound key. The machine will vend and take your product. If the product you need is not available, please try searching some of the other machines on campus. All machines are regularly stocked, and if an item is not available now, it will be in the near future. You can also reach out to Purchasing at West Liberty University if you have any comments, concerns, or want to request additional products for the machine. Thank you and have a great semester.